part that I hate. This is the part that I hate. That's why we want to be on the water. You're gonna see it's already almost 6 o'clock. What, 5 o'clock? Almost 5 o'clock. And now it's the struggle of going home, the traffic. It's just, this is why sometimes I just say we have to. If I'm gonna keep boating, I have to do this. Just tough. Unless you're doing it, you wouldn't understand, you know? And I understand there's folks that might think otherwise, but this is like, I'm done with it, you know? Okay, you're coming in now, baby. Yep, all this work, guys. You're seeing it happening. It's all live here. Now crank it. Bring her home. Bring her home. Isn't it better to press the button and raise it on a lift? I think so. I'm not a young puppy anymore. I don't like to bring the truck in too far because I don't like to get the brake wet with salt water. So I'd rather crank than get my boat, my truck wet. Running out of batteries, baby. That's it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, let's put it out now. Hold on. Okay, guys. So she's out of the water. Now we're gonna go ahead and remove the plug because there's always water in there. You know, it doesn't matter. You're always gonna, I like to take the plug out on the ramp and I leave the boat slanted backwards so all the water comes out. So I leave it like that and get all the water out. See? See, I'm still on the ramp. My baby's picking up. That's what she does. But I can tell you, we had a beautiful time. And I tell you, she did some serious fishing. Baby, you did some serious fishing.
Yes, I did.